Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to attempt to vlog what I'm doing today. I don't vlog. I never have vlogged on a daily basis type thing. I have 2 vlogs up on my channel that are just me and my husband on vacation 2 years ago. So I figured I'd vlog myself in the house today because that's all I do. I go to work and then I am home. I don't really do much unless me and my husband go shopping. So I am in the house today. I have a couple things to do. I'm gonna clean a little bit and I'm currently baking. I might wrap some presents, but I figured why not? I hang out with you guys. I am looking very rough. I'm in my bathrobe and my pajamas still, and it is 2:30. And I don't care. I'm just hanging out and being a bum, but I'm being productive. And so, yeah, don't mind what I look like. This is what I look like when I'm not in makeup. I just look really rough and I don't care. I even have some eyelash glue, I think, on my eye. Yup, there it is. Sitting on my eye from yesterday when I did my makeup. I washed my face, but it won't come off. So yeah, if you guys want to hang out with me and watch me bake and clean and whatnot, then yeah, stick around. I'm on my iPhone today because I don't really want to set up my other camera and I don't have a little camera that I can hold around on a tripod or anything. So I'm using my phone. But this is currently what I have baked. I probably have close to maybe 3 dozen cookies already. These are just chocolate chip and I'm gonna put some more in the oven over there. And yeah, that's about it. I've eaten probably about 15 of them. So they're really good, but yep, this is what I'm doing first. These are the cookies that last the longest, so my mom says, because I don't know, they just last longer in the containers and stuff, so I figured I'd start out with these. So I have this much left, and I use a tiny little ice cream scoop to scoop out the dough, so they're little teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever size that this is. I just use to scoop it out onto the cookie sheet. And I use parchment paper so it's easier. The cookies come right up. Oven. I just took off the cookies that were on here and added it to the rest of the cookies over here. These are my cooling racks that I have. I got these at Walmart, and I will take the cookies out of the oven. I'll leave it on top of the stove for 2 minutes or so, just so that they harden up a little bit and they're not too squishy. And then I will move them onto the cooling rack, let them sit for about 10 minutes, and then I add them to the rest of the cookies so that I have room on here again. So I'm currently waiting for those to bake. I've got about 8 minutes left. Is my little boy. Where are you? Yes, bed's not made yet either. Where is he? Oh my goodness! What are you doing, cutie pie? You sleeping in here? Huh? You don't want to hang out with your mama? You just want to sleep? Mommy loves you. Okay, I'll leave you alone now. Cookies are cooling right there. I am also cooking dinner in our crock pot. I am making, what is this? Sesame chicken slow cooker, slow cooker sesame chicken. That is what it's called. So I started that at about 11 o'clock this morning, and it's, and now it's almost 3. So that has been cooking for a while. I almost have to take it out soon, and it says to take it out, you add cornstarch to make it a little bit thicker, the juice, and then you put the chicken back in for a little while longer. So that is cooking in our crock pot. 9 minutes, 15 seconds. That is the last batch. I'm done with that. Put some water in here. So now it's all clean. Right, Bear? All clean? All right, I really don't have too much else to film for you guys. I'm gonna straighten up the kitchen now that I'm done baking in there. I was gonna bake another batch, but I'll save the sugar cookies for tomorrow or Sunday, I think. I'm just gonna finish up with our dinner. I have to cut it up into like chicken chunks and put it back in for a little bit longer on high, and then that should be it. And yeah, I'm just gonna take a shower and finish cleaning the kitchen. And that's it for today. I'm really not gonna do too much else. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean and cook. If you want to see more of these videos, then let me know in the comments down below. I could try and vlog some more. It was kind of fun to do. I've never actually, like, you know, just put the camera up and filmed myself what I was doing during the day besides makeup. But yeah, so I might do some more of these. So let me know what you guys think. As Bear's jumping all over my legs. I'm gonna go take him outside. So yeah, until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.